So Honda told me about these 3 screws over here. I'll show you. I don't like missing steps with people, so please apologize. But this is how this goes. Alright, you remove the 3 screws. 3 screws is actually only 1 screw holding it up here, but that's part of that. First you have to remove this, then this becomes loose. There is 5 clips on the side, but then on trial and error I found out that there's also clips right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, some people just look real quick and not realize, so I'm gonna show y'all how I found it real fast. They're really close to the trim of the car, of the door. So there's those clips as well, just so you guys can get an idea. There's those clips. Like I said, they're 180, 190 a piece. Not everywhere has them, but if you able to do it, it doesn't hurt. Thought I'd share that with you guys.